My guest overstayed because of this soup, and trust me, the next day he ate fufu again. The soup was very flavorful, delicious. Above all, he really enjoyed it, ankasa, and it tasted so good. He paired this with some fufu, and oh my goodness, I just don't know what to say again. This was palatable. This is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen. We do easy cooking recipes. If you're interested, please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. So in my clean pot, I have my well cleaned tilapia, which I cleaned very well with some lemon juice. I've added some water to it. I'll go ahead and then add my all-purpose seasoning. Now I'll be adding some salt to it and then allow the fish to stay for an hour. After an hour, I will strain the water and then use my paper towel to make the fish very dry. Then we can continue. Please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos, and please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. It is free. Thank you so much. Whilst I'm doing this, I'm blending my ingredients as well for my marinade. Okay, so I have pepper, ginger, garlic, spring onions or scallions. I have some basil, I have parsley, I have rosemary. I have blended it very well, and that is what I'm adding. I added some fish seasoning as well, but that did not blend very well. Okay, it couldn't blend very well, so I would just take it with my hand and then use my hand to yeah, I will add it later. Okay, and then make sure I smear the marinade on the fish very well so that it can enter every places very well. Now I'm just going to cover it and put it in my fridge the next day, okay, so that we can continue. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it. So it is going straight to my fridge and we will catch up the next day. So the next day I have cooked my vegetables. So I have onions, carrots, red bell pepper, some tomatoes. So I did not add any pepper to it because I have enough, okay, in the marinade. Okay, yes, now I've blended all those vegetables and I'll go ahead and strain it. We want this soup to be very light, so that is why I am straining. Okay, you can as well prepare your soup without straining it, especially if you want it very thick. Just as myself, if I'm preparing it for myself, I'm not going to strain it, but this is for the family, okay, and my guests. So I've added some water to it to make it light. As I said earlier, we want it light. Now I'll add my tomato sauce. That is not tomato paste, but you can go ahead and add tomato paste if that is what you want. Okay, thank you so much. We will leave this on fire and then we will continue later. So after 15 minutes, this is how our soup is looking. The fire was very high. Now we are going to add our tilapia fish to the soup. So I will lower the fire so that the fish will not scatter. Okay, we don't want any of the fish to be in any trouble. Okay, we want to get it perfect and then enjoy. Thank you so much for your time. So if you want short videos, please do not forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Those two places are basically for short videos, and trust me, you will love it. If you remember, we did not add any pepper to the soup, so I've added the rest of the marinade, and trust me, this added extra flavor to the soup. Just look at that, it looks so delicious. So after 5 minutes, I'll just add my mackerel in tomato sauce, and this took the soup to another level. So delicious. I have not added any seasoning to the soup because I have a lot of seasoning on the fish, the rosemary and the other ones, the fish seasoning, the salt. So I'll just taste it and see if it is okay. Everything is okay, so I decided to add another mackerel in tomato sauce. Okay, so I used 2, and trust me, I didn't regret using it. It was so nice. I'll go ahead and add some vegetables. I can't prepare soup without vegetables, and those who are coming to enjoy this soup, they like pepper, so I've added some habanero pepper, and they regretted telling me make it hot because those habanero peppers, if you know, you know, it is very spicy. Now our soup, oh my goodness, looks so good and delicious already. We are waiting for extra 5 minutes and then we are done. Now after 5 minutes to 7 minutes, our soup is ready, and just look at that, so delicious. We are going to pair this with fufu, and I added some grinded ginger. He later told me, hey Ram, I told you I wanted spicy, but he removed that pepper. Come and take your pepper. The thing was nice and spicy. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.